week of Independence Day. Clapping for.
Good afternoon everyone. My name is Umair. I am student of class 9. I am speaking from Kingston Academy Khanewal. एक देश जो मुझको प्यारा है, एक देश जो मुझको प्यारा है, जो मेरा एक सहारा है। एक सब्ज हलाली परचम है, एक सब्ज हलाली परचम है और उस पर चांद और तारा है। जिंदा हैं हम इसके दम से, जिंदा हैं हम इसके दम से, इसने हमको संवारा है। एक सब्ज हलाली परचम है और इस पर चांद और तारा है। Respected principal, honorable chief guest, lovely teachers and my dear friends, Assalamu alaikum. Today I am presenting a speech on Independence Day. Every Pakistani has an everlasting reflection of Independence Day in his heart. Nobody can forget those great sacrifices which were undertaken by the Muslims of subcontinent. They started their struggle a long time ago, when the first person thought about the son of freedom. हकीकत एक है हर शय की, खाकी हो के नूरी हो। हकीकत एक है हर शय की, खाकी हो के नूरी हो। लहू खुर्शीद का टपके अगर जर्रे का दिल चीरे। Two nation theory cleared the vital concept that the creation of separate homeland for the Muslims of subcontinent was indispensable. The dream was presented by Dr. Allama Muhammad Iqbal. Let me say that a grey portrait was sketched by the author of Pakistan, which was colored with thick blood by the Muslims of subcontinent. खून दिल दे के निखारेंगे रुखे बरगे गुलाब, खून दिल दे के निखारेंगे रुखे बरगे गुलाब। हमने गुलशन के तहफ्फुज़ की कसम खाई है। Every person participated in that fight for freedom in his own way. The old meditated and prayed. The young participated with power and force. The ladies fully supported their chants. The girls lost their chastity, and even the children also represent their innocent lives in the way of separate and independent homeland. वो वक्त खुदा भी लाएगा, वो वक्त खुदा भी लाएगा, वो दौर यकीनन आएगा जब बुत गिराए जाएंगे, जब बुत गिराए जाएंगे, जब अहद निभाए जाएंगे। The lawn got the green seed in red color. The land received in the water in the red color, and whole atmosphere resounded with unique passion of freedom and nothing else. A slogan was raised: we want freedom, we want a separate state, and we want nothing except Pakistan. Each darkness has a light, each night has a morning, each journey has a destination, each barbarity has a solution. The Muslims of subcontinent, under the leadership of Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah, fought day and night. They said and they did. They moved, they improved, then they proved that. उठ बांध कमर क्यों डरता है, उठ बांध कमर क्यों डरता है, फिर देख खुदा क्या करता है। Then the day comes when the Muslims got the result of their struggle and Pakistan appeared on the map of the world. The country has been achieved with enthusiastic passion. Thus, this is noble duty of young generation to take care the sovereignty and independence of this country. अंधेरे शहर की गलियों में नूर चमकेगा, अंधेरे शहर की गलियों में नूर चमकेगा, मेरे फलक पर भी सूरज जरूर चमकेगा। खुदा करे कि मेरी अर्ज़े पाक पे उतरे, खुदा करे कि मेरी अर्ज़े पाक पे उतरे, वो फसल गुल जिसे अंदेशा ज़वाल न हो। थैंक यू वेरी मच।